Hello YouTube, welcome to Skyblock.
Hey, welcome to Skyblock.
Okay,
Hey
we
YouTube, and welcome to Skyblock. And this is gonna be so fun,
yeah,
I think.
but I don't know how to make the generator. Yeah, I know how to make the generator. It's easy, right?
What?
What should I please first? Ice and lava?
I don't know, I say.
What the fuck, man?
I don't know what.
Yeah, it was. Oh,
See here.
we need wood.
I do this. I need the dirt. I think. Yes, I need it. Baby.
You will give me that seed. Do you know how to make a generator?
Yes.
Me
I
too.
think.
Now we're gonna get some.
Shit.
What?
We are going to get some shit.
See, come up.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna make a crafting table.
I'm gonna make a shit.
What the hell?
What? What is it? Okay, let's do this. Please. Come on!
Please, it works.
What?
No!
What is it?
Ah!
Yeah.
YouTube, I just need to go in game mode.
Oh shit!
I need to destroy obsidian block.
Cheater.
No, it isn't my fail. I needed it because my eyes did broke.
Don't do that.
What? No, I'm gonna just get the stuff to make one. No. Okay.
What?
Now we're gonna play in survival.
Yes.
Ah, can you? I want to see him. What the hell did you do?
I do this.
But we should make it together.
No, this is my iron.
But we should be together.
Shut up.
Shut up, you bitch.
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 Bitch. Yeah, I got the generator.
How?
Shit. Easy.
Okay.
First I'm gonna take it. Then I got it. It's so beautiful. Did you got some seed? Yeah, I got one.
I got shit. No!
Yeah, what? Oh no! Ta mina stridgods innan Skype.
My chest. Oh shit.
If I die, I will cry. No, what the? I could just run my generator.
Yes.
Should I say what I
How do you
did?
do that?
I'm gonna make one for you, okay?
Yes. Oh.
We are here.
Yes. I'm a noob in Minecraft.
Whoa! What did you do?
Nothing.
You make your island small.
No.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
You need to put something under there.
How?
I don't know.
How?
Just be in game mode.
That's cheating.
I know.
Okay, you.
Just for you. You. Say to you to be just gonna do that to make that fail. Don't wood, it gonna destroy. Put grass.
Where?
Down there. That. And then you're gonna put under that grass. But then you're gonna come up and put the ice block here. And the first the lava here.
I must select this shit. Where?
First put the lava there.
Where?
There. Here I'm staying.
Okay.
And then first put the ice block here. Here ice. Why did
Okay.
it? What the hell? Destroy it. See now.
Yeah.
Do you want one from me?
I want a pickaxe. Yeah.
You don't take it, don't. Then you finish. You're just gonna go down there in the water and don't destroy. Okay?
Yeah.
I think this is good. No, it go in the lava. No, all is going in the lava.
I like this. This is good. And so I put that and make
Shit.
some shit. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, this works. See? See what I made? See? I should stand here.
Okay. Oh, wait.
So,
Where's my tree?
I don't know. You destroyed it?
Oh well. A tree can be here.
Oh my god. I'm getting much and much. This is our awesome map. Right?
Huh?
This is our awesome map.
What?
This is our awesome map.
Yes. Oh shit!
What?
Holy shit!
What? Tip it to me! Are you falling?
I'm not having anything.
Take the stuff back. You got a pumpkin seed, melon, and a wooden pickaxe, and a oak zeppelin, and a torch, and some
It's
seed.
going to be okay, I hope.
Yeah. But that's not good if you die.
Oh shit.
So many
Pickaxe,
times
no
to
wood,
die.
no. Do you have a pickaxe I can get?
No.
Do you have some wood to me?
I think that. No, the tree need to grow.
How long?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
I don't know. You know the video I sent you that's just. You know I
need a
can't.
pickaxe.
Huh?
I need a pickaxe.
Why?
I need stone. Please.
I don't. Do you want? Oh yeah, you want stone. Where are you?
I'm here.
I can't see you.
I'm
See, I can't see you. There. See. What the?
I killed myself.
Okay. And then I will tip you. Okay. Bam!
Yeah.
Ah, I can see you.
Thanks.
What the hell are you doing?
I
Oh,
don't know.
yeah. I'm gonna give you more.
Oh.
No! I could go in the lava.
Oh shit.
It's awesome. Move!
I need a pickaxe, please.
Make one.
I don't have wood.
Shit.
Waste
No!
die. So many don't waste to die.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I got wood. Yes, I got wood.
Yeah. I need it.
How many ways?
Oh,
Can you give me some cobblestone? Give me some cobblestone
Why?
so we can get the stone pickaxe. How many ways to die?
Pickaxe. Yay.
I'm gonna make a farm. See, see, we can get bread. See,
Can I get a seed, please?
I just got. Just take her. Game mode.
No. You have the.
My pickaxe is gonna broke. I need a stone. No, no, no.
What can I do? I don't have anything.
Just wait. Shut up.
Shut you.
How many ways to die? Take seed.
Where?
Now you're invisible. Oh no, you're not.
Seed.
This is the worst thing ever. You're gonna plant it right here. Okay? Because
I need this a little bit.
see, I put there.
Can I use the whole thing?
Why you don't got? Can you use it here?
No.
Okay, okay, where? Show me.
Yeah.
There. We got that free. A tree. Whoa, I could fall. How many ways to die?
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
No.
What?
That was scary.
Okay. Thanks for the cobblestone.
See, it's better with this.
Alright. I can do this.
I got already 10. Oh, mine's falling in the lava.
I can get so now. Oh shit. This. I like this map. It's cool.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna make it bigger.
Okay. Me too.
Guys, I really hope you can subscribe us.
Me too.
No.
Please subscribe to me.
And if you want to make, you can make videos with us. Or me, I don't know. I make a video. You can see my new intro, guys.
Just leave a comment if you want to play with me or something.
And just, yeah.
Oh,
I
I
don't-
must be creative and fix this shit.
Yeah, that's happened to me, but not longer. You don't know? Oh yeah. No.
Yes.
That would never happen to me. That's crazy. But first, I'm gonna use this. So where's the time?
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
So many ways to die.
Dumb ways to die.
Whoa!
So
Whoa!
many
That was so too close, then I burned.
Well, dumb ways
See,
to
this is
die.
awesome. See, you can't fall. See, can you see?
Yes.
We just need one. Not there. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna. Whoa!
What?
The glass did, the ice did freeze.
Okay.
And this is the last I need. Beautiful, beautiful. But you're gonna. So, see?
Oh shit. So close. Okay.
So now I can't die. See? I make it secret. No.
What's that?
My pickaxe is gonna broke.
Okay.
Yes, that's that. That's
We have
it.
some bone meal.
No, I really want that, but no one skeleton and monster is coming to the house.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the no problem. That's because we're using it on peaceful.
Useful.
Should I take an easy?
Can I get a chest?
You got a chest.
No, I died. Do you
Yeah,
remember
just-
that?
I can't
Don't
give,
cheat. Don't cheat.
but I can't give you mine.
Don't cheat. I tell you.
Okay. Don't try to kill me.
Ow.
I'm nothing creative. No, it's burning.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to stop the video if we're making longer. My box. Yeah, YouTube, goodbye and see you on the next episode. Subscribe.